Everyone talks about shampoos, oils, and genetics when it comes to hair loss, but here's the truth. Most guys start losing hair not because of one big reason, but because of small mistakes repeated every single day. And the worst part? The most effective ways to stop hair loss from getting worse are almost never talked about online. Hair loss doesn't begin at the hair. It begins at the scalp, the blood flow, and your daily habits. If you fix these three things early, you can slow hair loss dramatically, even if genetics aren't on your side. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful, underrated methods that actually protect your hair long-term. Step 1. Correct blood flow. Most people don't realize this, but hair loss is heavily connected to blood flow. Your hair follicles need oxygen and nutrients to survive. When blood flow to the scalp is reduced, follicles slowly weaken, miniaturize, and eventually stop producing strong hair. Now here's the part almost no one talks about. Modern lifestyle kills scalp circulation. Hours on your phone, laptop use, gaming, studying with your head pushed forward. This creates tight neck muscles and compressed blood vessels at the base of your skull, the exact pathways that supply blood to your scalp. Over time, this reduced circulation silently speeds up hair thinning, especially around the crown and temples. The solution: simple but powerful. First, fix your posture daily. Your ears should be aligned over your shoulders, not in front of them. Even correcting this a few hours a day improves blood flow upward to the scalp. Second, daily neck mobility. Spend just 5 minutes a day doing slow neck circles, side stretches, and chin tucks. This releases tension and opens blood pathways feeding your scalp. Third, scalp stimulation. Use your fingertips, not nails, and gently massage your scalp for 5 minutes once a day. Focus on the sides, crown, and back. This increases circulation and keeps follicles active longer. Fourth, avoid constant pressure on the scalp. Tight headphones, tight caps, or resting your head against hard surfaces for long periods reduces blood flow. Small things, but they add up over months. This isn't magic, it's biology. Better blood flow means stronger follicles. Stronger follicles shed less and survive longer. Most guys never fix this, and their hair slowly thins without them understanding why. Fix your neck, improve circulation. You're not just saving hair, you're giving it a fighting chance. Step 2. Stop overwashing. Most guys think more washing equals healthier hair, but in reality, overwashing is one of the fastest ways to make hair loss worse, especially if your hair is already thinning. Your scalp produces natural oils for a reason. These oils protect the scalp barrier, keep follicles calm, and reduce inflammation. When you shampoo too often or use harsh products, you strip these oils away. A stripped scalp becomes dry, irritated, or overly oily as it tries to compensate. Both situations weaken hair roots. And here's the mistake no one mentions. It's not just how often you wash, it's how you wash. Rough scrubbing, very hot water, and aggressive towel drying all stress the scalp. Stressed scalp equals stressed follicles, and stressed follicles shed faster. The solution: use smart washing system. First, reduce frequency, not cleanliness. For most people, washing 2 to 4 times a week is enough. On non-wash days, simply rinse with water if needed. Let your scalp reset its natural balance. Don't overdo it, since overwashing let your scalps to be dry, so that needed nutrients for growing hair will be blocked due to your way of washing inconstant. Second, use gentle shampoo, not strong ones. Avoid shampoos that leave your scalp tight or dry after washing. Your scalp should feel clean but comfortable, not stripped. If it feels itchy or squeaky clean, that's damage, not hygiene. Third, focus shampoo on the scalp, not the hair length. Massage gently with fingertips for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't pile hair on top of your head and scrub aggressively. Let the shampoo clean the scalp. The suds will clean the rest. Fourth, control water temperature. Very hot water increases scalp irritation and oil stripping. Use lukewarm water instead. This small change alone reduces hair shedding over time. Fifth, dry your hair gently. Never rub aggressively with a towel. Pat dry or air dry when possible. Wet hair is weakest, and rough drying causes unnecessary breakage that looks like hair loss. Smart washing calms your scalp. A calm scalp holds on to hair longer. Most guys overwashing and unknowingly push their hair into constant stress mode. Stop attacking your scalp. Start working with it. Step 3. Control chronic stress. This is a silent hair killer. Most people think stress only affects the mind, but your body feels stress first, and your hair is one of the first things your body sacrifices when stress becomes long-term. Here's how it works, in simple terms. When you're constantly stressed, your body stays in survival mode. In survival mode, Your body focuses on essentials like the heart and brain. Hair growth becomes unimportant, so your body quietly pushes more hairs into the shedding phase. This doesn't happen overnight. That's why stress-related hair loss is confusing. You don't lose hair the day you're stressed. You lose it weeks or months later, when you've already forgotten the stress that caused it. That's why so many people say, "My hair just started falling suddenly." It didn't. The damage started earlier. Why chronic stress is worse than short stress. Short stress, like a bad day, doesn't matter much. Chronic stress, poor sleep, constant overthinking, pressure, anxiety, slowly disrupts your hormones, blood flow, and scalp environment. The result? More shedding, slower regrowth, thinner hair over time. And the worst part? You can have perfect hair products and still lose hair if stress stays high. The solution first, fix your sleep. This is non-negotiable. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, including hair follicles. Poor sleep keeps stress hormones high and blocks recovery. Solution: aim for consistent sleep and wake times. Even 1 extra hour of quality sleep improves hair recovery over time. Why it works: better sleep lowers stress hormones and allows follicles to stay in the growth phase longer. Second, reduce mental overload, not eliminate it. You don't need zero stress. That's unrealistic. You need controlled stress. Solution: take short breaks from screens. Breathe slowly for a few minutes daily. Spend some time offline, even briefly. If you say why, these moments signal safety to your nervous system. When your body feels safe, hair shedding slows down. Third, move your body regularly. Movement reduces stress naturally. You don't need intense workouts. Solution: walking, light exercise, stretching, even 20 minutes a day. This is why movement lowers stress hormones, improves blood circulation, and supports scalp health. Fourth, stop panicking about hair loss itself. This is important. Obsessing over hair loss creates more stress, which causes more shedding. It becomes a loop. Solution: focus on habits, not mirrors. Check progress monthly, not daily. Consistency calms the nervous system. Calm systems hold on to hair longer. The truth: most people miss stress-related hair loss is one of the most reversible types, but only if you act early and stay consistent. You don't need extreme changes. You need calm routines. Control stress, and you don't just protect your hair, you protect your entire body. Your hair is not betraying you. It's responding to how you live. Here's the real truth: hair loss prevention isn't about chasing miracle products or panicking in front of the mirror. It's about doing the boring things consistently, improving blood flow, keeping your scalp calm, and removing long-term stress from your life. Most people don't lose hair because they're doomed. They lose it because they wait too long. If you start early, stay patient, and fix the fundamentals, you give your hair the best possible chance to stay strong. Progress won't show overnight, but months from now, you'll be glad you didn't ignore the signs today. If you want more honest, practical advice like this, no hype, no fear tactics, subscribe and turn on notifications. You're not late. You noticed early, and that makes all the difference.